Today, I want to take you with me to Joann's to see what they had for Valentine's, spring, St. Patrick's Day. My Joann still has clearance from Christmas, and I think these candles are great because you could just turn them around and they're great all year round. They have nice neutral colors in them, and the scents are good. Like, they don't have to be seasonal scents. Some of these are just good for all year round. Then, of course, they have Valentine's items. They have these reusable totes, which I thought were cute. And all the Valentine's decor is 40% off right now. So that is great. So they have garland, they have decor pieces. They just have so many cute little things. And at 40% off, so you look at the price and then you take the 40% off. Of course, they have charts all around the store to show you those discounts. I thought that piece was super cute. Just a lot of cute little pieces, some for crafting, some that, just grab and go pieces, different things. I like how they have accessory pieces, so you can use that like a makeup bag, you can use that like a carry-on. They have cute decor pieces. I just like how Joann's has a variety of items that you can pick from, so it's not just fabric, because number four used to be more fabric. And then the cute little dog that was there too, thought he was so cute. So they have a lot of items. I like these pieces right here. I thought about grabbing them, but I have to stop grabbing things that I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with yet. I thought these were nice, and it came in the red and in the white. This piece right here. So they had a lot of pieces. They have a lot of things for parties, which I thought were cute. So straws, the little headpieces, necklaces, garland. They had a lot of jewelry for the holidays, so jewelry and accessories. So you can get earrings, necklaces, hair pieces, different things for Valentine's Day and for St. Patrick's Day. Of course, crafting items. So you can put together cute little, I know everybody is doing those like big lollipop things. Those would be cute to put stuff together with those. Thought that keychain was cute and something for all year round. But they had a lot of items that you can create things. This is some of the St. Patrick's Day items that they did have. Thought that lucky sign was cute, and you could see $24.99. This is going to be on sale too. So like I said, most of the holiday stuff is on sale. Thought that garland was cute. They have hats, again, party stuff. They have decor stuff. For the St. Patrick's Day, they had the cute signage, and they had jewelry too. So you can get these pieces, just to put on your shelf, like shelf decor. They had Lucky Kiss Me, that cute little glitter one. And then the accessory pieces, just like for the Valentine's Day. So you'll be able to get hair clips, pillows, everything you need. You'll be able to get from Joann's now. So they really, over the time, have stepped up their choices that you can get for the seasonal pieces. So it's just way more than fabric right now. I love this. So imagine if you were making a wreath, a centerpiece, or something like that. I thought that'd be a cute thing. Paper plates, napkins. For both Valentine's Day and for St. Patrick's Day, they have. So if you are a big party person, you might want to grab some of them things. Spring items are out, and like I said, I think over time they have stepped up their decor pieces so much, and I love their decor pieces. They're just like, um, they don't go one way or another to me. Like, I feel like they would fit in with so many different styles. Like, they don't go modern to me. They don't go country. It's like a in between kind of, where you could put these pieces in with different spaces, and I think it would fit. But they had a lot of cute spring things, from shelves to a lot of bird feeders they had that I thought were cute. Things for around the house, thought those were cute, and they came in two different colors. So Joann's, like I said, has a lot of cute pieces, and these were on sale too. So the spring decor is on sale, the Valentine's is on sale, the St. Patrick's Day, there's always a sale, and then you can get a coupon. And never knew this, or this is something new, I don't know, but I always scan my Joann's rewards thing in the app, and recently I went there and I had $10. So make sure you're always scanning that when you're picking up stuff and getting stuff, whether you're doing it online or in store, because you can earn rewards and you can get basically some of this stuff for free. They had a lot of cute artwork. So they're good with signage, different things like that, and they'll have different sizes. I love that mirror. This little Hello Spring sign I thought was cute. Just, so many cute little things. And a lot of different things for spring. Back to the Valentines, this was cute. It had that kind of cartoonish look, but not too cartoonish. $20, and then of course it's going to be on sale. Window cling. These sunglasses, the Dollar Tree had them for $1.25, but they were there for more. This little place, little like tape, like what is it? Plates. They weren't like plates really, but I thought they were cute because they came in the different colors. So you get a set of four of those. They had tablecloths for the holiday, just all the little things. So you can get ready. Like I said, if you're doing a party or something like that, you might want to head over there and pick up some of these things. Mats, outdoor mats, and this is the chart for the 30% off for the spring that they had. So you can see the discount that you'll get on those. But a lot of different mats, and these are so pretty and so spring, but without doing too much. More Christmas clearance, 80% off. So they have a lot. I think a lot of stores overstocked this year, so they have a lot left. These little tutus were cute, and of course they're going to be on sale too. This little thing right here, that was 40, but then of course on sale. More cute spring items. So they have like the wind chime pieces. They have a lot of whimsical looking like outdoor pieces, a lot of cute bird feeders. So they had different styles. I thought these lantern lights were cute right here. They came in two different colors at my Joann's. I thought those were cute, but like I said, a lot of different bird feeders that they had to pick from. So you can get like a traditional one, or you can get something cute like this. Like, I think this is so cute. So if you know like a sewer or something like that, or as a crafter, they might like one of these pieces. And I just think they're so cute. I would even put them in the house. These, thought that was nice and simple for $50. And then of course, like I said, on sale because Joann's is always having a sale. So you might want to pick up some of those boxes. I think a cute storage box is always cute. So you can keep your papers, you can keep little pieces in your sewing room, like the little things of thread, like different things, whatever you want to put in them. They came in different sizes, different prints. I always think these boxes are so pretty because they just look, so cute, and imagine them like in your space. These pieces, thought they were nice, clean, and simple, and would fit in with a lot of different spaces. So they had that one, they had the roundish looking one, and of course, like I said, different art and signage I'm loving from Joann's right now. So they had this piece, and these pieces I think were on sale too. So you can catch that on a sale. Just a lot of different pieces that you might want to give a look to. Yeah, 30% off they were. This sign, something simple, but I thought it was cute because of the wood, and then the piece, and $15, and then you get the 30% off. This right here, I just think is clean and simple. You can see it's kind of like a linen-like look for the backing right there, which I thought was nice. These horse bookends, I thought they were cute. So you get a set of those, and it has the cute little wood bottom. It's actually lightweight too. I thought it was like a heavy metal, but it's actually light. So those were nice. Just a lot of cute pieces. And these give me more of a modern type vibe, but they're nice and they're simple. And again, they'll fit in with a lot of spaces. The ribbon, they have a great ribbon selection, 40% off. So you'll get wide ones, you'll get thin ones. They had a lot of different options, so you might want to check them out. So it's $5.99 and then the 40% off, and it was 4 yards for that one. So you could do the math on that. So if you like wreath making, things like that, you might want to grab those. This I thought was cute. So you see that sign goes with that pillow. So these pieces, can go together. So you'll be able to, make your home look cohesive for the holiday season. I thought the fringe on that was cute. These I think would make a cute little DIY. And they were only $4.99. And then again, you get the discount on top of that. So for a couple of dollars, and then of course fabric, because it is Joann's, and it's Joann's with a lot of fabric. So they have the different fabrics. So a lot of times the fabric is on sale, or you could use a coupon if it's not on sale, but it'll be different prices based on whatever it is. So they had Valentines, they have St. Patrick's, they had a few spring like prints, and then the regular prints. But you can make some really cute things with the fabric choices from Joann's. Socks, so many cute little socks. If you're a sock lover, I love cute little socks. They had, you can see so many different choices for the socks right there. And these would be cute to put together if you were putting together like a gift bag or something like that. Those would be cute. These plant stands, I thought they were pretty. So they came in two different sizes, and they're only a couple dollars difference for the sizes. I would probably grab both. This I thought was cute, like a little bicycle. And then you can see it's flat, so you'll hang it flush against your wall. I thought that was pretty. More signage. I thought this welcome sign was so pretty because it is so simple. It's $70, and then I think it was on sale too. But I thought that was so pretty and just simple. Throw pillows. So they have a lot of different throw pillows. They had them spaced throughout the store, but about $40. And then again, will be on sale, so you'll get the discount on those. And then, like I said, with Joann's, if it's not on sale, then you get a coupon. So it's always a sale. A lot of DIY style pieces I've noticed in a lot of places. So Joann's, I noticed them at Dollar Tree. Just a lot of places are doing a lot of DIY pieces, so you can make your own colors. Do it how you want to do it. You use wood stain on this. Just whatever options you might want to do with it, and just make it to fit your own style. And the price is not bad. And these will be on sale too, so you can get these on sale too. I thought that was a pretty sign. So you'll get that, and you'll be able to make that your own. These little signs I thought were cute. So if you are making a bigger sign, these little signs would go nice with this. I thought that was a good option. This right here, I couldn't figure out if it folded in two pieces, because it looks like two pieces, right? Or if it was two signs. I don't know. But this right here has a nice little detail around the side of it that I thought was pretty for $30, and then again on sale. Ton of floral options. So you'll be able to get, spring pieces, just different things. So if you like to make wreaths, centerpieces, different things like that, you'll be able to pick that up from Joann's. So like I said, a ton of floral pieces and 30% off. These I thought were so pretty. So they came in two colors, and again, they're on sale because they are part of the sale. So you might want to go over to Joann to pick it up. And then Easter mesh. So the deco mesh that you can make the wreaths from. So they had a lot of different pretty, not even so much Easter, just spring colors. So you can do those. And then these I thought were so cute. So they had little farm like animals. I just thought they were so cute. It reminded me of like a Peter Rabbit type thing. Little bunnies, different things, and I just think they're cute. So you might want to head over to Joann's and check out what they have for spring, for Valentine's Day, for St. Patrick's Day, and get your home spring ready. And then to end it off, this card, it was on sale, so you might want to check that out too.